Hello, and welcome to another episode of Atlanta Capital Cooking. Happy Memorial Day. Today we'll be making baby back ribs. There's a lot of rib recipes out there, so hopefully you'll find value in my technique and my method for doing ribs. So we'll go through the process. Let's get started. Okay, I have one whole rack of baby back ribs, and one of the things that I do differently, as you see, I'm taking the knife and I'm scoring the membrane on the rib side of the meat, and I'll make a small cut down each individual rib, and I just make sure that that membrane is scored well. By doing this, you're going to make that membrane crisp instead of tough or chewy. I'm done with the tapered section of the ribs, and this is what the cuts look like after I'm done. For the seasoning, I use a combination of spices: Greek seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, garlic powder. Season both sides well. We are now ready for the grill. Starting temperature is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I turn the ribs constantly just to get a good sear and browning on the outside of the ribs. We're about 15 minutes into the cooking process. I've already turned the ribs probably about twice. And at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's going to get the underneath side where we made the score marks with the knife nice and crispy. Total cook time on the ribs is about an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes. 30 to 35 minutes into the cook time, I allow the grill temperature to come down to 325, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that gives a chance for the ribs to get nice and tender. Now we're about an hour and 20 minutes into the cook time. Time for the sauce. We'll get a nice finish on the ribs and we're ready to serve. Thanks for watching Atlanta Capital Cooking. If you found value in this recipe, let me know in the comments below. If you like my content, please subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.